In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design. If you've ever wanted to create beautiful graphics in Canva and use them directly inside your Mailchimp campaigns without constantly downloading and re-uploading files, this tutorial will help you streamline the entire process. Connecting Canva with Mailchimp makes email design faster, more organized, and much more efficient, especially if you regularly create branded newsletters or promotional campaigns. To get started, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you arrive at the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace if you manage multiple accounts or brands. The dashboard is where all your campaigns, audiences, and integrations are managed. Next, look toward the left-hand navigation menu and click on Integrations. This section allows Mailchimp to connect with external apps and services, so you can extend the platform's functionality and simplify your workflow. Inside the Integrations area, you'll find different tools and applications that can be connected to your account. Continue by selecting the Manage option, which lets you view and control active integrations linked to Mailchimp. Now, search for Canva. Depending on your layout, you may see it listed alphabetically, or you can use the search bar to find it more quickly. Once Canva appears in the results, click the Connect button to begin linking your accounts. At this point, Mailchimp may open a new browser window asking you to sign in to Canva. Enter your Canva account details carefully and continue through the authorization prompts. If you manage multiple Canva workspaces, double-check that you are connecting the correct account before proceeding. This is especially important if you work with different brands, teams, or projects. After signing in, Canva will ask for permission to connect with Mailchimp. Approve the requested access so the integration can be completed successfully. Once the connection is authorized, the two platforms will begin syncing in the background. If you have already linked Canva before, you may simply be redirected to your dashboard where you can confirm that the integration is active. You should also see a status indicator or confirmation message showing that Canva and Mailchimp are now connected properly. Once the setup is complete, your Canva designs will become accessible directly inside Mailchimp. This allows you to insert your Canva graphics into email campaigns without manually exporting files each time. Instead of switching back and forth between platforms, you can simply choose your existing Canva creations directly from the Mailchimp editor, saving time and keeping your workflow much more organized. Give the system a moment to finish syncing your account information. In most cases, the connection updates automatically after a short delay. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Canva with Mailchimp, making it easier to create visually polished email campaigns with a smoother and more efficient design process. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.